The bulls and the bears are at odds. Let's bring in Michele Schneider, the chief market strategist for MarketGauge Group. Mich, we have inflation information coming into the market this week, and there's talk among the bears about a 5% drop in the market. But on Monday, bullish traders were buying the dip. What do you think about the market?
I think so, showing some division, and that's what we have to watch between what happens with the S&P, NASDAQ versus some of the inside sectors that we always watch, like retail, like the Russell 2000, both of which are still not necessarily wowing. Now, Russell's no doubt have done better, and they've cleared some really key resistance areas over that 1900. But retail is really the thing that we keep focusing on, because even though it's holding, it seems like it's not really showing any great strength. So I think we have to watch the retail area very carefully before we get too gleeful, particularly in the face of these inflation numbers, which still may not reflect, Angie, strong inflation, because they are reflecting from a month ago. And we know that oil has rallied over the last 6 weeks, every week in a row. So we're still a little bit cautious until we start to see the consumer really wants to hang in there. But that doesn't mean there aren't great pockets of the market to be watching instead.
What that tells me is you want to see more conviction in the market to believe that there's more room to run. What needs to happen?
So everything kind of has to stay nice and clean here, or you may see a little bit more panic. And if it does stay clean, there's a lot of money in the market right now. I'm not sure how much more will come in August, but we would certainly be looking at least for a better September. So I think this is a good time to take it easy. It's the summer and the market's acting just like August tends to act, which is choppy and somewhat directionless. And we've already had our downgrade, so there's that. Didn't really do very much. So yeah, I feel more doldrums than anything else, but doldrums at good levels.
What's your trade of the day?
Well, we're watching Kroger, actually. It's something we've been looking at all year. I haven't traded that stock in a long time. 50, and it's trading just under that or around that level, is a good place to look at because we haven't been over that 50 point in a while. And it already reported in June, so you don't have to worry about earnings until the middle of September. And I think if we can get through 50, then you might start to see some upside. Of course, the grains and the food prices have to cooperate, but at this point now, they haven't really escalated much more from their peaks. So yeah, we're going with Kroger.
Mich, we thank you as always.
Thank you so much, Angie.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.